God message for you today. Sometimes your struggles are not even about you, but about me. They are about showing the world the power that I have to make the impossible possible, to make a way when no way seems possible. 11 11. This angel number is saying to you, your spiritual awakening is well underway. In spite of inevitable changes, your overall happiness and satisfaction with life will continuously improve from this point on. Type yes to thank you, guides, for sharing this truth. The universe is saying to you today, choose to believe the highest and best for yourself and others. Release and forgiveness are important factors for personal growth and enlightenment. Trust yourself more. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.